To translate text from one language into another, you can use Google Sheets' built-in function Google Translate. First, select the cell where you wish to add your translated words. In our case, we're going to select this cell. Now, add the equal symbol to start the formula and type Google Translate. We need to select the cell that we wish to translate. In our case, we're going to select January. Next, we need to add two-letter language code from which language we want to translate. In this case, we want to translate from English to Spanish, so we're going to type EN, which stands for English. We're going to add comma, and we're going to type ES, which stands for Spanish. We're going to close the formula, and we're going to press Enter. As you can see, Google Translator automatically translated our English word to Spanish equivalent. In order to fill the rest of rows, what we can do is select the cell's bottom right and just drag till the end. As you can see, all our English words been translated to Spanish equivalent. Now, if you want to translate in a different language, let's say not Spanish, let's say you want to translate to French, okay? Again, you need to use FR, which stands for French. Again, back to two-letter language coders. Now press Enter, and as you can see, English word was been translated to French equivalent. Again, we're just gonna drag until the end, and as you can see, all our English words have been translated to French equivalent. Keep in mind that Google Translator might not be completely accurate if you need to translate sizable textual content. However, this solution works well for less complicated translations, like in the example that we just did.